Give your business the competitive edge it needs with the DoALL Hercules DC-540CNC-A. This machine is designed for a range of extremely high production environments. The DC-540CNC-A Hercules high-production horizontal CNC bandsaws from DoALL are highly efficient, automatic, hydraulically controlled machines with multiple materials feeds. The DC-540CNC-A is ideal for serial production and industrial settings. Thanks to the robust construction of the DC-540CNC-A, it is possible to cut a wide range of full and profile materials, including stainless and tool steel. Let the Hercules bring strength to your production environment. Standard features include a Mitsubishi touchscreen panel. The touchscreen control panel displays a cutting cycle indicator, blade tension warning, BRP overfeed protection function, band speed, band drive amp load, and a list of error messages allowing the operator to monitor machine functions. This DC-540CNC-A bandsaw has a removable control console that can be positioned for operator comfort and safety, ensuring hands are away from the blade at band start. This machine comes with an LED work light illuminating the dark work surfaces for accurate and safe operation. The saw blade is set at a 7-degree cant, preventing full engagement of the teeth in the material, which will allow more efficiency and improved blade life. Carbide-faced saw guide inserts with lead-in and lead-out bearings assure the user of consistent straight cuts and extended blade life. In semi-automatic mode, the material is positioned by the operator either manually or by use of the indexing vise to manipulate the material to the desired length to be cut. Save production time in the automatic mode. The operator programs the pieces to be cut and starts the cycle. The machine automatically cycles through the parts as programmed, making it a hands-free operation. The hydraulic band tension is set with dual tension cylinders, which automatically eliminates the possibility of over-under tightening of the saw band, allowing for maximum cutting rates and saw band life. The saw band guards serve to protect the operator from the saw blade. The adjustable electric-driven band brush removes the chips from the blade gullets. This prevents excess chip buildup, assuring a clean, square cut. An adjustable part chute allows the flow of the parts to glide over the outboard table. The coolant level indicator displays the status of the coolant volume in the reservoir. It can be checked using the status gauge located on the front of the base. The oil pump for the hydraulic central unit is located outside the tank, allowing for better cooling and ease of maintenance. The feeder is driven by a ball screw and has an asynchronous motor or servo motor. This allows for the indexer speed to be easily adjusted, producing consistent, repeatable accuracy. The ball screw assembly is covered, protecting it from any damage from material movements. On top of the saw is the status light that provides everyone in the room with real-time visibility of the operational status of the saw. The green light means the machine is in safe condition and working as expected. The yellow light means the machine is approaching an unsafe state condition. The red light means that the machine is in an unsafe condition, such as an emergency stop or machine fault. Machine operators will enjoy infinite band speed, controlled with our variable frequency drive. The flood coolant system supplies coolant to the blade evenly before and after the cut, creating straighter cuts and allowing for longer band life due to the cutting fluid being applied at the tooth tip. A secondary line can be used for cutting larger diameter material to help lubricate the blade. A flushing hose is also attached to the system to allow for easy machine cleanup. The mist lubrication system is ideal in various tube cutting scenarios, preventing excess coolant from running through the tube and onto the work area floor. Outside of the machine is the coolant tank that is part of the base weldment. It is connected by a hose to a small tank with a coolant pump. The anti-vibration pads are placed on the entrance and exit of the drive wheels. The support bar on the outside of the drive wheel will improve bearing life in the gearbox. The drive is comprised of an electric VFD-controlled motor, transferring power through a gear reduction unit directly to the drive wheel, eliminating belt slippage and providing positive torque to the saw blade. Cast steel wheels ensure band tracking and long life. Another safety feature, band door interlocks, also known as interlock switches, ensure the safety of personnel by automatically shutting off power to machinery when an access door opens. Full-stroke hydraulic vices will minimize setup time and maximize clamping pressure, eliminating material movement and tooth strippage. Variable vice pressure will prevent distortion in thin wall tubing and extrusions when clamping. The adjustable saw guide arm moves with the vise, limiting blade deflection. This feature maximizes blade life. The electric worm chip conveyor has intermittent running of the auger, allowing for coolant to drain from the chips before being extracted from the machine. The DoALL Hercules DC-540CNC-A will tackle the toughest metal cutting job, improving your productivity and saving time. You and your team deserve a DoALL. Contact us today at doallsaws.com to begin the conversation with a sawing subject matter expert. DoALL invented the metal cutting bandsaw, and there's nothing we can't cut.